Okay, welcome everybody. Guy with the Shovel Productions here. This is my shovel. It's wet. It's winter time. It's trying to decide whether it wants to snow or rain. And we're doing an obstacle build. A continuation here. So I've got some natural flagstone here, sandstone. And we're just building. I've already dug out a little bit with my shovel. And I placed a couple pieces here to continue this obstacle set on. So I'm stacking it right here. I'm gonna go gather another piece and place it. I'll check back in. Triangles. Place the triangles. Just like that. And then I got another piece I'll go get. And then we'll tamp them all in. Okay, I got a couple more triangles, like I said. So we'll see how this goes. I'll gather a few more and place them. My goal is to, come from this area, which I'm going to call the bottom, up 1.5 to 2 feet to match this upper gravel base here. So there will be a pretty good climb. That's quite steep, probably around 55 degrees or so. Obviously less steep over here and kind of through a little bit of a contour. So I'm going to keep stacking. Well, this is where I'm at. Mud bogging out here. I'll have to clean it up a bit before I can run this. And maybe let it dry out a bit, but that's sort of where I'm at now. I've got that climb placed, a little bit of gravel mesh there to clean up on that side, but at the top I got a pretty good breakover angle. Gonna probably cause a little bit of difficulty dragging your belly over that. And then it's kind of just, this is mismatched, mixed up pieces I'll fill in on top there to get a good platform going. And then I'm kind of gonna place stuff over here. I don't know if I'll go boulders or more flagstone, but I'll get that filled in a way that it's kind of a lead up into this obstacle set. What is this? This isn't supposed to be here. So basically that's sort of it. I'll keep placing and keep bumping back and seeing what it looks like. Okay, that's pretty much it. I went and got a couple shovelfuls of that gravel and sprinkled in between all the the cracks in that flagstone, and then swept it off with my hand broom here. This is as far as I'm going to get today, but got a pretty good climb, about maybe 18 inches, closer to 2 feet I'm sure. Pretty good landing on top that allows you to set up for whichever direction you'd like to head. So next I'll probably continue on over here and do some more boulder stuff. My hand's all muddy. I got the mud on my hand. Anyway, that's for another video. I'll probably do a running video on this here when it dries out a bit. See what this stuff does. See how it feels. So anyway, thanks for watching. Guy with the Shovel Productions. Direct power, high voltage. On the 35 kg Chinese internet servo. How do you like it? We're going to go test it out in the field on that new obstacle. Okay, so this is the new obstacle set that I put together with this flagstone. This isn't the new part anyway. That's the direct powered 35 kg Chinese internet servo. You saw that speed. There you go. Let's try that again. I guess you don't belly out as much as I thought you would over that brake over at the top, but decent little climb right there leading into this other section. I've been trying to convince people that I've hacked this 35 kg Chinese internet servo to accept a direct power 3S battery, so I'm just not trying to convince anybody. You got to do it for yourself. Servos are cheap enough. You might as well just make it happen. That's one hell of a climb right there, I tell you. And I'm not going to get it. Not that time anyway. Something happened. She hooked and pulled to the right. We got the TRXXR AR60 rig here. Let's try and get that bump. I got it, but then I lost it. Jeez. I don't have the drag brake on this Sidewinder 4 set very high, because before with this Outrunner motor and the portals, the gear reduction was well enough that it didn't really need it. But now that I've swapped to the AR60s, it's kind of needing it, I think. But we'll get that climb just like that. Yeah, buddy. See that? See that servo working? I put, I wouldn't call it extensive testing on this. I haven't put a ton of extensive testing on this servo yet, but enough to know that I feel pretty safe with it running on 3S. That's for the haters. Okay, we're kind of going to get an up close view here. Pretty good crash there. It's wet. Let's see how this goes. Ooh, I think I broke something there. I broke it. She's busted, and I saw it break, so that's unfortunate. What an unfortunate deal.